Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how to make money on YouTube. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology or you want to learn that how you can make money from YouTube. So today's topic is very interesting and important for you. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, making money from YouTube used to be as simple as uploading great content, garnering millions of views, and earning a share of advertising revenue. Now, content creators have access to multiple ways to monetize their content. In addition to advertising, this can include corporate sponsorships from a major brand, fan funding, or merchandise sales. First option is the Google Ads. Friend, the first step to making money on YouTube is to join the YouTube Partner Program. Partnership gives content creators access to special tools such as the ability to monetize their videos via Google Ads, AdSense. To qualify, content creators must have at least 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours of accumulated watch time over the period 12 months period. YouTube monetizes videos via pre-roll display and other advertising formats. Advertisers pay based on clicks and impressions. YouTube gives the content creator 55% of this revenue and take 45% of itself. Content creators must adhere to advertising guidelines. Content that contains foul language, adult content, violence, and other subjects will not have ads placed against them. This can include discussion of sensitive news events as well. Next one is the brand sponsorship. One lucrative form of advertising is brand sponsorship, also known in the digital marketing world as influencer marketing. A company will pay a content creator to promote a brand or product within a video. For example, early in her or his YouTube career, Michael Fan drew the attention of cosmetics brand Lakme with her popular makeup tutorials. As of 2019, there were more than 700 agencies that help match brands with social media influencers on platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Fan funding. Another popular way to monetize a channel is through channel memberships. Fans and followers make recurring monthly payments in exchange for bonus content such as badges, emojis, special videos like chats and other content. YouTube partners who have reached 1000 subscribers can enable this monetization feature on their accounts. Third party services such as Patreon also help video creators to monetize their fan base via monthly memberships. Top video creators earn as much as $40,000 per month from fan support. Now, the next one is the merchandise sales. For merchandise sale means that YouTube partners also have the ability to sell up to 12 times of merchandise to their audience by enabling this feature in their accounts. Jeffree Star has made million selling lipstick, highlighters, and eyeshadow palettes to his fans. YouTube best practices is very important to increase their chance of attracting a large follower base. Creators should follow established YouTube best practices. One of the most fundamental best practices is to create rich, engaging content. Viewers can come to YouTube looking to either be entertained or for a solution to a problem they face. By creating great content, it's more likely the video gets viewed and shared. Another way to increase viewership is for content creators to optimize their videos for YouTube search. This includes using the Google Keyword Planner to find words that a large number of people search for and to include those keywords within the description and tags of the YouTube video page. Promoting the YouTube video through the use of social media and paid media advertising is another popular way to generate additional traffic to the video. Revenue generation challenges are also very important, that even when all these best practices are followed, there are some revenue generation challenges that YouTube video creators face. The median cost per thousand CPM and rate charged to advertisers was just $3.53 as of first quarter of 2020. Because creators are paid only on monetized videos views and not total views, the effective CPM they earn can be far lower. Despite these challenges, people who are able to attract a large and loyal following can make a substantial income on YouTube. According to the Forbes, the highest paid YouTube video creators are pulling in close to 20 million a year. So it's easy to see why many chase this seemingly bottomless well of income. Now, how many views do YouTube need to get paid? In order to get paid by YouTube, you need to reach a balance of $1,000 or $100 or more from views. This means you will need to garner 20,000 views if you receive $5 per 1,000 views. To make this happen, YouTube created the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to get paid through advertisements on your page. To be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers, reach 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months, sign and agree to the terms and conditions, have an AdSense account, get reviewed and approved. Once you are in the YouTube Partner Program, you will be able to start bringing in money through advertisements. This is done in two ways: either cost per 1,000 views CPM or cost per click CPC. With CPM, you can earn money based on every 1,000 views you accumulate, while with CPC, you can earn money based on the number of people that click on the ad placed on your page or video. However, it's important to note that Google will give you 68% of the revenue when displaying ads when with AdSense. So, for example, if a video generates $1,000 from AdSense revenue, so you will get $680. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video, and I hopeful that it will be beneficial for you, and you can create your own YouTube channel to generate the revenue from YouTube. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.